What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today. Hope you guys are doing well. And in this video, I'll be going over what is actually happening for the day. So, of course, we all know that today is a new crazy day. And why do we know that? Because yesterday we had PPI, right? So it shows you. I'll show you the chart now. Here we go. So PPI we had yesterday, and it was quite positive for crypto, right? So whenever we get this data, so when the actual is less than the forecast, it's bullish for crypto because it's bearish for the dollar. Like, that's kind of how you look at it. So it just shows you the change in price of finished goods and services sold by producers, excluding food and energy. So basically, PPI, you kind of just want to look at the numbers, and whatever the numbers say, that's kind of how you value your decision for the day. And if you look at Wednesday, so today's going to be quite crazy, guys. I think today's going to be really volatile. You can see CPI. So basically, it's a change in price of goods and services purchased by consumers, excluding food and energy. Same thing, right? If the actual is greater than the forecast, so if this number is greater than 0.2% today, then it's probably most likely going to be bearish for Bitcoin, okay, and crypto. But right now, it's looking like we don't really know yet, but we'll see. I think we're going to have a positive day today with upside, and then Thursday we have GDP, and then Friday. Thursday we have resale sales, and then Friday we have nothing. So Friday's nothing. So today's probably the most important day of the week, but I do think that it's priced in, of course. Okay, so let's get back to Bitcoin. So what is happening with Bitcoin? So if you guys watched my live stream yesterday, we're talking about this, and basically we closed above this level today, right? And you can see that we're forming a higher low, which is obviously important. And we closed above the steady resistance. So this is obviously really bullish for the short term and the medium term time frame. Yesterday we actually did we caught a long. I didn't actually take this trade, but in my live stream, this is the setup. Yeah, it was quite a clean setup. I didn't actually take it personally, but I think a lot of people did in the live. But yeah, the trade for Bitcoin went back up to 61K, even tapped almost into 62K and got rejected. Yeah, so I think for the day, we can probably expect maybe a retracement. Let's have a look here. Where can we expect a retracement to? Yeah, I mean, it could come back down here to 59K. I think for the day, we might see happen for CPI, we might see a nice bottom wick tap into like this zone over here, 59,500, and then we see quite a nice rip. So I think Bitcoin overall, we just need to break above this level right over here. Okay, so you can see that we've been struggling, right? We just need to break above this horizontal resistance right over here. Once we break above 61K, we're most probably going to come back to test 62,700. So it's going to be quite interesting. Okay, so that's for Bitcoin. Right now, I want to speak about the position I'm in. So I took this trade for OP. So basically, let's see what happens. I expect OP to continue to the upside. This is a nice breakout on the lower term time frame, and basically this trade is just a break of the trend line, right? It's nothing too crazy, so it's just a break of the trend line, and yeah, overall looking like it wants to break out. So took this trade for OP. So let's see what happens. To be honest with you, this 1 hour resistance is looking like it wants to get rejected. But on the 30-minute, we did actually close above, which could be a fake out. So this is just a trade that I'm just going to be seeing if we can obviously tap, if we can break these highs. That's going to be the setup for the day. Ethereum. So look at Ethereum right now. So basically, let's have a look at ETH. So it's ascending triangle right now, and basically, we're struggling to break above this high, right? So if you look at the lower term time frames, this is basically the structure that we have for today. Sorry about that. This is the structure we have for the day. You can see that we currently just trading in this pattern. So of course, if we start breaking above here, we're going to see quite a nice move to the upside. So targets for the day will probably just be, yeah, we have this level here, right? yeah, so the breakout for this, we'll probably see quite a nice push for ETH. If we break above this high, we're going to be looking at a 6% move today. It's possible, guys. It's possible. I think Ethereum's really strong right now. A lot of people are getting involved. You can see that the buying power is just getting more and more, increasing more and more. So I think it's possible, guys. I do think it's possible for Ethereum just to rip from this point. You never know. So that's a setup for Ethereum. I'll probably take another long today. What I'll do is I'll take a breakout trade. So I have a buy stop above there and stop loss just below here. So this will be like a CPI trade, basically. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. I'll put a trigger order over here, right over here, at 2749, and then we'll target to 2881. Yeah, so that's going to be the trade for the day. We have to obviously break this high. So what I want to see is for CPI, I want to see CPI data come out. We create a bottom wick, then we flip bullish, and then we just continue. So we just take the trend right up. So we'll see what happens. We can maybe catch that step. So that's my thought on the market. Very simple, guys. And then obviously USDT dominance continues to come down. We had quite a nice daily candle closure, respecting resistance, of course. So that's obviously a good thing. Yeah, so I think USDT dominance can definitely come back down, test this low over here, maybe today, which is leading us at quite a nice move to the downside. To the upside for crypto. So if we see a 3% drop here, we're going to see quite a nice drop on some of the cryptos. Okay, so that's the setup for the day, guys. Just got a couple Bitcoin dominance. Let's have a look here. There's actually this level here, to be honest with you. So obviously right now, Bitcoin dominance is just too high, guys. So like I said, it is retracing a little bit, but basically it's a little bit too bullish, Bitcoin dominance. It's been bullish for too long. We are obviously coming into quite a strong level right over here, so we are getting rejected. This is good though for the shorter term time frame. So I do think that we're going to see a little bit of a bounce for the alts. Some alts may actually recover a little bit more. So let's see what happens for the day. Of course, let's have a look at crypto bubbles. Let's have a look here. Yeah, look at that on the month. Sorry, not the month. Let's have a look at the day. So on the day, let's have a look at some of these. TON, we spoke about TON. Phantom, MKR. Let's have a look. Okay, let's just remove everything here. Let's have a look at the daily. Have a look at this beautiful daily closure, guys. Beautiful, to be honest with you. I'm loving that for MKR, to be honest with you. What is this level here? That's also quite a strong level. This is probably the level, guys. 22185. We'll probably see a tap of that today, definitely. But for the range for the day, so what the trade would be for the day is ranging this level here. So what I mean by that is, we know the high of this range that we just calculated that. We've just gone and see what the high is. That is your weekly resistance. So for me to take positions today, yeah, what we can see happen is definitely something like this. We could potentially come down, right? So what I'm thinking is we can come down, tap into the zone, and then we take longs back up to this high. That could be a nice setup. This is what I'll be looking at for the day for MKR. But to be fair, it's kind of looking like it could just push. But I won't take a trade if we don't get this we could potentially look for a short stay as well. We break this level, which is what we're currently trying to do. So let's see what happens. But yeah, I think I've gone through what I wanted to go through. Remember, guys, if you guys did miss the beginning, or if you didn't focus, make sure you go to the beginning, because today is really important, guys. Today is really important. We have CPI. We will be live streaming this as well, so make sure you guys do follow me on Twitter. And yeah, I'll see you guys there.